Hey there everyone, welcome back to Doko's Reviews. Today is a special day because we're doing the review and unboxing of the ROG Strix Z490i gaming motherboard in my kitchen. So could you smell what Doko's Review is cooking? And because we were told by the county that we're actually locked down for 3 more weeks. So I said, what the heck? I'll just go ahead and start building computers. So I went on Facebook Marketplace, looked around and found some pretty good components. And there were some things that were tossed in for free, which I'm very grateful for. Around 450 bucks for the total of everything. And I thought to build me a little computer. Yes, as you can see here. That's basically what it is. So we're going to build a small little computer with these components. So there's some things I do want to point out though. When I got this case today, before we do the unboxing, when I got this case today, this is a small case, guys. These little cases are made for Mini ITX gaming computers. So as you can see there, this is very small. This is not even big. But what I wanted to do, because, you know, the word speaks for itself, custom built computers, is that I want to put this big, gigantic, this is a 480 millimeter liquid cool radiator. Okay, this is for the CPU or the graphic card, whatever, blah, blah, blah. But these are mostly on like big rigs that's, you know, extremely overclocked. But I wanted just to take this, because, you know, I don't do overclocking, but I just wanted to take this and put it here, like this. But then the problem is, as you guys can see, there's an overlap up top. So I'm just going to go with what the guy gave me. And I'm going to just go with this radiator right here, which I think it would be a perfect for this. So it's going to be like this. Just like that. See? Perfect. Anyways, so these are the components that I'm actually using today to build this computer. Okay, so I'm going to be using this again, the ROG Strix Z490i gaming ITX motherboard. So this is a very small motherboard. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do here is get the box. Just cut this right here. Okay, so there we go. So we're just going to jump into this quick. Alright, so, well, I like that when you open it, it says the choice of champions. That's what it says right there. Put this to the side. Take this box. It's pretty cool. They have a separate box for that. And then we're just going to take this lid off and we're going to see what comes inside. Wow, we got a little key hanger, Republic Gamer hanger. That's pretty cool. Put your key right there. That's nice to have. And then right here we have the antenna, because this has the built-in Wi-Fi. That's pretty cool. Looks like a alien hat or something, or a cone hat. This is very good. So they come with 2 of those for the SATA cables. Some standard zip ties, and then this is a okay. So this is a special adapter for the RGB light, and then this one is I think this is another adapter. So if you there's 2 type of RGBs adapters. So this is another one, and then more SATA cables. So there's 4 in total. Let's see what they got in here. So they got all the book. Oh my gosh! They got the book instruction, and then they got this. Look at that. Is that cool or what? So they have this little what is this thing? Okay, so this is stickers, guys. Wow, look, it's almost like 3D type, right? You know, I don't see a lot of people using stickers, but this, I might be using this because check it out. So you guys get a good view of that. That's nice. And then you got your booklet, instruction manual, and then this thing here, guys, I've never used this before in my life, so it's there. Good on them for maybe for like you know, novice, for your first time building. You got a little thank you for purchasing ROG Strix product. So I'm going to go ahead and register this today and get that over with. So this is what it comes with. It's not bad. Not bad at all. put that back and cap that off and put this guy back like that. And now we're going to jump into taking a look at the motherboard. Oh yeah. Look at this. Okay, so you got your PCI Express 16 laying here. It looks like you got the 4 SATA right here. Then you got USB-C, and then you got 3.1 USB. Then you got your ATX for your power supply, and believe it or not, man, this has a 8-pin right there, which is very important. That's for definitely overclocking. So this little motherboard is more than capable. You know, ROG Strix, especially the Republic Gamer ones, those ones are always good. You got some pretty good capacitor here. If you didn't know, these are made in Japan. See that? The gold. And these are good quality stuff. And then you got the rear, and look at that. So you got a HDMI 2.1, and you got your display port. You notice here they kind of went away with DVI. There's, you know, DVI is not a thing anymore. It used to be back in the days. And you got the USB-C. You got your SSD here, and then you got your other USB-A's here. These are all fast USBs. I don't think there's any 2.0s here. These are all faster than the normal ones. And then you got your Ethernet there, and then right here you got your mic in, line out, and line in. It's simple as 1, 2, 3. So there you go, guys. So that's what I see here, and we're going to be installing this in there. And I mean, look how small this thing is, though. This is going to be my first mini ITX building a computer. We were going to be using this video card, guys, but we're not. I'm going to be putting my my RTX 3090 on this, the FE Founders Edition version. And tell me what you guys think. If that's going to be intimidating for this little board, you're going to have a gigantic video card in this case. So that's the unboxing. Let's move on to the build. Oh yeah.
I'm coming home. Hey there everyone, just before I wrap it up, I just want to thank you guys for always following me in Toko's reviews. I really appreciate it. And if you guys like content like this, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. You'll be definitely helping me out so I can put out more videos like this. And if you guys have any comments or any questions that you think that the RTX 3090 FE is intimidating on this little ITX motherboard, comment down below. Like always, all Fathers from Toko's Reviews. Peace.